Let's define the happiness in these stressful times. Let's discover how can we achieve the true happiness. Happiness is attained through the balance of one's psychological, physical, and spiritual well-being. It is about growing holistically. Your happiness assures your well-being, and your well-being is the greatest gift you can give your loved ones. Then why is it neglected this often? We believe that we will have to spare aside some time which we think we are already lacking. Well, happiness can come from moving from a simple good life to an extraordinary meaningful life. Let's take some baby steps. I am sure we can spare a minute a day. Take a moment, place your hand across your heart and say good morning to yourself, as in, good morning Rupal. If you think you're willing to go another mile, try saying I love you with your name. As much as this may make you wonder why you're doing something like this indeed does release happiness hormone. It makes you feel light and extend some compassion to yourself. Try doing this for a week. Remember, what you practice grows stronger. Let's heal together. Let's grow together. Home of Beautiful Souls Foundation.